After being stuck for 5 days waiting on my passport, I was finally back on the road. Now, I almost made a huge mistake and nearly left this village.
This looks creepy.
Because when I got here, there was nothing going on.
Creepy room tour.
There wasn't even power in this village.
This is the bathroom.
But for some reason I stayed.
People need to know I'm alive.
I found myself sitting with one person who made a call.
FALANG.
And somehow, that call turned into this.
I can't help it, I always get adopted.
It's our dinner. What are you talking about?
Besides the corn,
Football?
we rounded up all the kids in the village and brought them all to this field for one high-stakes game.
Hi guys. Today I'm going to beat Austin.
Ronaldo over here.
We betting what? Austin. You pay them?
I missed this. It was a long 5 days. Luckily, we're going downhill right now. Look at the dirt piles. It changes to concrete, then to gravel again. We've seen worse in the last 500-600 miles. What is that? 900 to 1,000 kilometers. So I'm not really worried. There's not really. It changed to fucking dirt, bro. It can't get much worse than that. And a couple upgrades y'all haven't seen yet. So a phone mount broke, so we got some rubber bands. We got bed bugs from that last hotel we stayed at together, so we had to get a whole new bag. I think that's it. We had to get our rack fixed again, still not welded because we can't. But other than that, look at this view. Damn. 7-Eleven there, Walmart. Clear out those trees, but don't put anything there. Jesus statue. Repave, 8-lane highway. Yeah! Woo! I wish the roads were a little bit better! I need a break! Hello! I'm gonna learn the phrase, what are you doing? And I turn on translations, then we'll know what they were doing. But real time, I'm not gonna know what the hell they're saying to me. There's about 5 guest houses. This looks creepy. Does this work? Oh no. Oh, the lights are out. Okay. Okay. Kapjai. Creepy room tour. This is the bathroom. What the fuck? Hey, and you know what? Let me find out that this place has fucking bed bugs. I'm not doing that again, bro. Back to the scary room tour. It's actually very normal. If I don't have Wi-Fi later, we're gonna have to go to a different guest house because people need to know I'm alive. You guys know I'm alive, but you won't know I'm alive till it doesn't matter anymore. We're just gonna ride around and see if anything actually happens. Is your power working here? Power off?
Power off, yeah. Power off about until 4 p.m.
Oh, every day?
Yeah. Only American live in Muang Kham. You know?
Lives here?
Live here. Teaching English.
No, I don't know.
I don't know. One I call to.
Yeah? I'll visit. I don't have any plans.
ฝรั่งเขาจะอยากไปเล่นน้ำ
Hello? Sabadi.
Wait a minute, we go to the market and
What is this? Tiong? Yo, this is good. Sugar cane, right?
Laos say oi.
Oi. Oi. I never have it like this, though. Usually I stick it in the machine and it... Hello, Sabaidi.
10 years ago, then I grew up here.
Yeah, this place is probably much bigger now.
Yeah,
When you went to school in Muang Kham,
there's a lot of foreigners.
had you seen foreigners before?
Not many.
Yeah.
Twice for 2 months, 3 months or something.
Yeah.
Not very see often.
I can't help it. I always get adopted. In America, if you handed your kid some corn for a snack, they would just look at you like, "What do you do? What do you mean? This is dinner."
This is our dinner. What are you talking about?
Football?
I always go to play. Every
Yes.
day. Usually I go every weekend to play.
Where do
With
they
the
play?
kids.
Sabaidi. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, balloon, Labubu. Hello. It's time. We're going to pick some kids from the temple. You used to work there too?
Yeah.
What'd you do?
At the guest house. My wife comes.
That's how you met her.
Yeah.
Back then, when you were working in Luang Prabang, was what were you making enough to like live there?
Yeah.
Was it
before the COVID?
Is it still like that? Now it's tougher, yeah?
Now it's many students. They don't want to study anymore. When they finish and they don't have work.
It's like that in America too.
Yeah. They don't have money to study.
Is that Maya?
Yeah. My yeah.
So if my team wins, he buys the Pepsi. If his team wins, I buy the Pepsi.
I like to come to play. I just start to play like for a month. You can learn your oven.
Sabaidi.
Oh, if they come here, they do the party.
I thought they let the cattle stay out forever.
No. In the morning, free them. in the evening, chase them home.
And then they free in the morning
Yep.
again.
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Okay. Then we go back to the temple again.
I need snacks for the dogs. They always chase me.
Oh, I don't know.
One almost bit me,
Oi.
and a guy ran out with a flip flop and threw it at the dog. I said, "Cop chai, cop chai."
โซ่คนเตะบ้านไปก็เลยหมดพุ่นเนาะ Oi. Oh, the baby chicken too. Hả? Menป่ะ
Con nhà đời mi hơn hàng.
Oh.
What'd you say?
There's a kids there. At least 10 in the yard already.
Out of here. Team? Sabaidi. Hello. Sabaidi YouTube.
Sabaidi YouTube.
It's a secret. Messi or Ronaldo? Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Ronaldo. Ronaldo.
Hi guys. Today I'm going to beat Austin in the soccer. Yeah.
Bo.
The Messi, you know Messi. How many people?
Oh, okay. Ronaldo over here. Messi over there.
Ronaldo. Neymar.
And then Messi. I guess I'm a Ronaldo fan now.
Messi. Ronaldo.
Yo, they go crazy.
Ronaldo.
They go crazy for Ronaldo. This is... You need more people, yeah? Wait, we got too many Ronaldo fans.
We betting one Pepsi,
Pepsi.
one bottle of Pepsi. So if my team lose, I pay him one bottle of Pepsi.
And if my team loses, I pay him
10
One.
boxes.
one bottle. But this is my team? Ronaldo. This is my team, I guess. Messi?
No.
No.
4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay.
What? Okay.
You,
No.
Falang, team Falang. Team Falang. Okay. Oh. No. No. Cow poop. Okay. I gotta remember my team, bro. Ready?
Made a voyage, hopping off the Mayflower, set up shop and kill them off, whatever it take. I seen the boats, I'm at home.
I'm tired. Penalty shot.
The whole time, it's a whole grind. Give myself the credit, bought it to me with no cosign. I don't need a loan, I'm on 10, I'm my own dime. Y'all got no control, the type decide away your whole life still. In the mud up to my neck, I love a
I'm tired.
Let the world's way, show the show.
Austin,
We're...
you pay them?
Looking cool as fuck.
I paid him. I paid him.
So walk away, get the job done. I'm James Bond in the.
Oh my god. Dude, these kids getting to play.
Yeah. It's always your team.
I know. That's what it feels like. Camera.
Hey kid, what's your name? What's your name?
Austin.
Oh,
My name is Austin. Team Falang. Team Austin.
Team Artist. Ken! Cái bên một con.
That was crazy, bro. He's locked, dude.
Yes.
Props. Let's go.
But I'm going to beat you.
What's the score?
2-0.
2-0. Song? Song soon. Song soon. Song soon.
Team Falang đây chú.
Team Falang Song. Khơi. Go. Yes. Song. Song soon. Soon. Oh fuck. Oh. Oh no.
Fuck ภาษาลาวจิไปให้ฟังดิ
Oh. No. Whoa. It slipped out. I thought the ball was gonna hit me. Yo, he's the GOAT. My camera is gonna die, but we'll let you know who wins. We'll let you know who wins.
I win for sure.
Oh, we'll see.
You don't know. You just
Sang soon. 4-4? 4-4. And Lao? Sam? CC. We're back. We're back.
Okay, go.
It's Sam 4-4.
1, 2, 3, go.
I'm drenched. I've scored no goals since I scored one with y'all. Yes. Sabaidi? Okay. Oh, we got some injured players everywhere. Everyone's injured. Sabaidi? CC. Oh, no good. Injury on the field. We'll come back when there's a winner. Yes, come in.
Đây là thầy hút đâu à? Sự nhắc đẳng.
Sabaidi. Yeah. Oh.
Cắn đe nịt. Có thể thì cắn chân nó không. Need big on it. Need big on it.
So walk away, get the job done. I'm James Bond and LeBron James. This is not a cosplay, swear I'm living real life. And every time I don't write, when it feels right. They see the win streak, damn that shit is long-winded. I don't see you at the top, you cannot visit. Or the Dave's hot chicken at a crib with some god bitches. Give me a...
Đã bún định 1 baht. Bisa đây rồi. Sao ba? Halan đi. Dạ.
Bye-bye. That's the perfect ending. Seplai. Sebo.
Apply.
Aroy Mac.
Aroy Mac.
Rice. Egg. Cucumber here.
cabbage
Cabbage. But what's it called?
in Laos
Yeah, in Laos.
oh in Laos คั่วกะหล่ำปี
Gua kalampi.
คั่วกะหล่ำปี
Somebody.
let's fry cabbage